this video, we're unboxing the CV Axle Slide Hammer Puller Set. This tool set is designed for removing CV axles and ball joints on automotive drive shafts. Its main purpose is to remove the CV joint from the vehicle's axle shaft without damaging. It can also be used to pull press-fit bearings and internal components. Now, let us move to the components. The heavy-duty slide main hammer, the split moon-shaped puller jaws, fixed connector with steel cable assist, the square locating fixed base, with a pair of work gloves. Let me explain how to assemble it. First, grab the slide hammer. Unscrew the nut at the front of the slide hammer. Remove one nut. Choose the correct adapter we need. This time, we use the large opening adapter. Install it onto the slide hammer, using the nut to lock it down tight in the center. That's assembled well. Choose the appropriate adapter based on the vehicle need to remove. Now let us move to how to use the axle puller tool. Before removing, first choose the correct adapter and install it on the top end. Use the two nuts to lock it in the center. Then position the adapter into the axle assembly we need to remove. Use the open slot on the adapter to line it up with the axle CV joint spline like this. Slide it in from this angle. Once it's seated properly, it will be locked in place. After it's locked in, we slide the hammer weight back and forth. Use the impact force to pull the axle out.